All right, I'm going to show you two different ways you can draw isometric circle. So you choose the one that you prefer, the one that you know that is more easier for you. Choose that one. Okay, so you choose the one that is more easier for you. Now, suppose you have a drawing like this, and you want to draw an isometric circle here. First of all, you know you need to get the isometric square, which is like a rhombus. So this rhombus now, take it to be this. Okay, take it to be this. Now, quickly, let me show you how you can draw it. So to draw that, I first of all draw out the rhombus. Yes. Now, from this rhombus, take each point to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, because it has 4 angles, this one angle, another one, another one, another one, and 4 sizes. So each angle, I take it to be 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I try to divide this line into 2. You know, if from here to here is 50 millimeter, that is from half of it to be 25 millimeters. So likewise, this half. So the half here, I take it to be point A. The half here, I take it to be point B. The half here, I take it to be point C. And the half here, I take it to be what? Point D. This is method 1. So if you want to draw this using method 1, then you look at this angle. Which of these 4 angles has the largest angle? 2 of them have the largest angle. If you see that this is wide and this also is what is wide, they are the same thing. Okay, why this one is small and this angle is also small? So we are going to use this one that is wide, considering this 2 that is wide. Now, from this one, take a line to this midpoint of this line. Take it to be the midpoint, and you will draw V like V. You will draw it out. One will go to this side and the other one will go to the middle here. One will go to this middle and the other one will go to this what? To this middle. So let's do that. Take it to be a construction line, and you can also draw it like this. Now, I hope you can see that. You can bring your compass, you can bring your compass and place it here. You can stretch it to reach D here, or you can stretch it to reach what? To reach what? To reach C here. Both of them will still give you what? The same, and they will still give you the same thing. Okay, so you can stretch it to reach from here, stretch it to reach D here, or C here, because you are joining the 2 points. What? You are joining the 2 points together. So you draw an arc like this. I hope you can see that. Now, you have used this first one, this bigger one, then you want to use the second one. You know, I told you that we'll be using the 2 angles that are very wide. I mean, the 2 of them will be using them because the 2 of them are wide. They have the largest angle. So we have done with this. Let's use this. So from this same point, draw V out, just like the way we did here. Draw it V out. So from that point, the V that will come out, one will come to this point A, and the other one will come to this what? Point B. So let's do that. I hope you can see that. And even there are times you don't even need to draw all these things, but it's because of this point. That is why we are drawing all this line. We can just place it here and join points C and D, place it here and join this and this together. But because of this midpoint, that is why we are drawing all these lines. Okay, so let's do for this. Then using that same measurement, it's already the same thing. This is the same thing. You can place it here, but you can just try to make sure that and then join the 2 of them together. Now, from this midpoint where this line and this line join together, place it here. You can place it at the midpoint, stretch it to reach either this or what, or this. Then you join them together. So let's do that. I hope you can see that. Okay. Then you can place it here at the same time, connect this and this together. Okay. Okay. Then you join them together. Let me try to adjust the compass. You can see that this is our isometric square. This is our isometric what? Circle. That is method 1. Method 2, some people can decide to do it like this by using what we refer to as a diagonal. You know, here I didn't make use of any diagonal, but some people can say, okay, let me use diagonal. They can do it like this. They can first of all draw the diagonal. I hope you can see that. Then some people will just say, they will draw 2 lines out here. It will form V. They will only draw one that will form V. You know, here we did 2. One form V upward and the other one form what? V downward like this. But in this case, some people will just say, okay, let me just draw one. One is enough. They will just draw one like this. But if they want to use one V, they will make use of this diagonal. Okay, so they will just draw one V out. Okay, so it is now left for you to choose the one that you prefer. Then they will put it here. Please pay attention to this. Okay, so they will put it here. You put it here. Connect both of them together. Okay. Then they will place it here. They will place it here. Sorry, let's get the middle here. Let's just try to get the middle. Sorry for that. Let's get the middle. Since it is 50 millimeters, this is the middle. You can see that. And let's get the middle here. Okay, so let's take this one to be C and D. Okay, all right, then they can just say, they may not need to draw another V downward. They can just place it here like this. Okay, put it here and connect them together. Sorry for then they will just place it here from where they meet here, this midpoint. Place it here like this. You just place it here like this, and then place it here like this. Connect them together. Okay, so that is it. So just choose the one that you prefer, that you know that, oh, you like this one best. Just choose it. And what will you do now? Share with your friends, comment, and subscribe for more. All right, see you in my next class. Thank you.